How to fix black screen issue on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix black screen issue on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. A black screen on an Android device can be caused by various issues such as system glitches, app problem, or hardware failures. So here's a few quick fixes that you can try to resolve the black screen issue. First of all, force restart your device. Hold the power button on your device as well as the volume button together for about 10 to 15 seconds. That forces the device to restart and can fix minor glitches. Once you do that, the second step that you need to follow is simply charge the phone. Your phone's battery may be completely drained. Plug in into a charger and leave it for 15 to 30 minutes before attempting to power it on again. Use a different charger or cable if needed. If your phone has a removable battery, take it out for about 10 seconds, then put it back in and try powering it on. After that, what you need to do is you can wipe the cache partitions. The first step for this is simply power off the device. For that, you can hold on the power button. And then here you can see the power off. Simply you need to swipe towards the power off and then power off the device. After that, hold volume up plus power plus home button, and you can release all buttons when the logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe cache partition and press the power button to confirm. Once complete, select reboot system now. After that, you can simply perform a factory reset. For that, you can go to the settings on your device and here tap the factory reset option or type in factory reset. So you can select reset phone and then tap erase all data. Enter lock screen password. Now tap on erase data and it will be factory reset. If none of this works, it's possible that a hardware failure is causing the black screen and you may need to take it to the professional repair centers. So once you do this, your black screen on Android issue will be fixed. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.